Welcome to Session 22. Some SAT questions ask you to rewrite, not solve. Today we focus on equivalent expressions, factoring, completing the square, simplifying rational expressions, and matching coefficients. Equivalent expression questions reward pattern recognition. Difference of squares factors into conjugates. Perfect square trinomials become one squared binomial. To complete the square, factor the leading coefficient from the x terms, add and subtract half the middle coefficient squared, then simplify into vertex form. For rational expressions, factor the numerator and denominator first. Cancel common factors only. Keep the original restriction because the denominator still cannot be 0. Different forms reveal different facts. Standard form shows the y-intercept. Factored form shows zeros. Vertex form shows the maximum or minimum point. When two expressions are equal for all x, expand and match corresponding coefficients. Constants match constants. X coefficients match x coefficients. Your turn. Rewrite 2x squared minus 8x plus 3 in vertex form. Pause. Factor 2 from the x terms, then complete the square. Factor 2 from the x terms. Half of -4 is -2, and its square is 4. This gives 2 times x minus 2 squared minus 5. Session 22 recap. Difference of squares factors into conjugates. Perfect squares have a 2ab middle term. Completing the square reveals vertex form. Rational expressions cancel factors. And for all x means match coefficients.